Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, private sector, engineering sector, government sector as well as PSU jobs. I provide career guidance also. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you will receive all the latest notification when we will upload it in our channel. So today's job notification is come from Microsoft Research. So it's a R&D job, and it is also, I will not say as a job, it will best opportunity to you guys, the young minds, though those can get a chance to do their higher education through this research fellows program of Microsoft. And that program has against organized in this 2021 year. So they are hiring freshers for this program. The program name is Fellowship Program in Microsoft Research for the R&D purpose. BS, BE, BTech or MS, ME, MTech can apply for this job. That means BS means BSc batch also eligible, MSc batch is also eligible, and also MS, those who are doing MS, they are also eligible. So I will discuss in detail in this video. So it is a very good opportunity to every freshers as well as those young minds, those who want to stay in technology field. So it will be an interesting video to all of you. Don't skip this video, and please subscribe my channel because it gives us motivation to prepare this type of videos for you guys. Okay, so let's start this video. You can see Microsoft Research Fellow Program 2021. It is named as MSRI. So they actually expose bright young minds in India to world-class research and state-of-the-art in technology. Okay, so job profile name will be Research Fellow. Your working location mainly it is Asia specific recruitment. It is fellowship program is done for Asia Pacific region. So mainly the recruitment will be done for the Bangalore location, Karnataka. Degree needed is already I have mentioned BSc, BE, BTech or MS, ME, MTech can apply for this job. Experience needed is freshers. Batch eligible 2021 batch. MSR Research Fellows alumni, those who already have done their fellowship program, those are present. Also they have joined top PhD programs at universities such as MIT, Stanford, UC Berkeley, CMU, etc. Started companies such as Everwell, Capillary and Ola, and are working at Microsoft also in India as well as US in development positions. So the eligibility criteria they are asking for, candidates should have completed BS, BE, BTech or MS, ME, MTech in computer science or related areas, graduating by summer 2021. And we evaluated candidates based on a combination of factors including academic performance, raw smartness, development skills and proven ability or aptitude for research and software development. Microsoft offers an inclusive work environment, and they will value diversity in their workforce also. In research fellow roles, you will be selected. Candidates need to spend 1 to 2 years at Microsoft India location in Bangalore. You have to possess different roles, require a different combination of skills, current and past RFs. That means research thing you have to do. Those will be done based on solving deep theoretical problems, pushing the boundaries of AI, designing new programming language, field in rural India, prototyping, communication, sensing the hardware, everything you will do. So regardless, they all consistency aim to create academic, industry and societal impact also. The important dates I will discuss now. January 15 is the deadline for this application. Okay, in the month of March and April they will offers the extended to accepted candidates. That means they will give the offers to the accepted candidates in the month of March and April. In month of July 2021 you will join as research fellows started MSR India. To apply for this Microsoft Research Fellow Program 2021, what you need to do? So you need to have resume and also filled out RF interest form. You need to download this RF interest form, and also you have got the instruction to fill the form. are in the file. So, and also a statement of purpose answering the following questions in one or two paragraph. Like briefly you need to summarize one of the project you closely related to projects and you have done. Describe your process of thinking through the steps you took in working on the project. Why do you want to apply as MSRI RF program? If you wish, you may also highlight specific projects or research those work interest you. If any, your career goals for the future. Describe a problem that you feel needs attention. So those three things you need to discuss there. And if you want to apply, then you need to click on apply link. I will give this apply link in my description box. So you can see this is the official website. You can go through once again the notification. So the deadline is January 15, and you can go to the about section. You can check that those who have already done their research fellowship program there, they have already joined PhD programs at top universities like MIT, Stanford, etc. So I have already discussed all these things. So what you need to do, you just go to this RF interest form. You need to click on this RF interest form. Then you need to download this form. Okay, that is, you can see that some portion is given that your name, undergrad information, what is your undergrad majors, what institution you have got the degree, which year you have passed, what is your undergrad performance of as June 2020 as scale of 10, that means the CGPA or the GPA. Then master's information. So those all the sections are given here. You need to fill on those things and you need to submit it there. So that is the thing. Form, you can read the application procedures here, MSRI RF application page. So by clicking on this link, you will be redirected to the application page. So you can see the research fellow page has come, and it is a type of internship, but after completing your research program, you will join MIT or any big universities as they have promised. So here the instructions are given, the application procedure is given. So research fellow interest form, that is the RF form I have shown you before. So that thing you need to fill. You need to download the text file and you need to fill it out. Statement of purpose, that is the clause number 2 I have already discussed. There's that all these 3 questions you need to give it answer in 1 or 2 paragraphs. So Microsoft is equal opportunity employer. So please send a request via accommodation request form. So for taking accommodation there, you need to fill this accommodation request form also. So that is the thing. And also you need to click on apply now. Then you need to sign in with your Microsoft account if you have. Otherwise you can sign in also with your Google account and also your LinkedIn profile. So then you can apply for this job, for this research fellow. So this is the all over the updates and notification. If you really like this video, don't forget to share this video because it is a very good opportunity. And last date, please remember, January 15. Okay, so please share as much as possible with your friends. And if you think it is very important and it is very career guidance, career opportunistic job and opportunity, then you can apply for it and go for it because it is a very good opportunity. You will get higher studies chance as well as you will get the internship in Microsoft. So this is the all things. This is the notification from Team Job Updates by Verma. Please subscribe our channel to get this type of career guidance and job notification daily. So stay tuned with us. goodbye, take care. We will meet in next video with some new video. Have a great day. Bye.